When it came to finding the perfect setup for our travels, Armitages were hands down the best choice for us. Their M-Level self-leveling system has been an absolute game changer. Unlike generic imported systems on the market, the M-Level is completely designed and manufactured right here in the UK with fully British sourced components, meaning total reliability and effortless access to spares if you ever need them. At the touch of a button on the wireless touchscreen remote, it automatically judges the slope and stabilises the whole van in under 2 minutes with millimetre precision. It's incredibly smart too. If the ground settles over time, a quick click auto adjusts it without needing to retract the jacks. Plus, it features a unique tilt function that makes draining the grey water tanks or clearing rain off the roof an absolute breeze. It gives us total peace of mind on the road, knowing our home on wheels is perfectly steady and rock solid wherever we end up. And of course, we have our special bike rack, which is mounted to the chassis, suitable for holding e-bikes and normal bikes up to 150 kg. Custom made by Armitage.
You've got a job.
Can't you do it?
No, I can't reach
Why?
it. Because I've got no door.
Oh yeah.
This is a perk. A driver's perk.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know about you, but I feel knackered.
Yeah.
It's difficult being a passenger. Although, I do feel like I'm a better passenger than I am a driver.
Straight down?
I assume so, yeah. I feel like I was born to be driven rather than drive myself. So I think it's a good job that I've not got a C1 on my licence.
Okay. Let's stick with that then.
There it is. Armitage.
Just then go down that little
Yeah.
slide. Sure
Yeah.
about that.
Yeah.
That's what pigeons.
Here we are. Get on the river.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a quality little pitch. Hello, we have a camera. Oh wow!
Yeah.
Should we park front in?
That's
Look, there's electric.
Oh wow, perfect.
Oh, this is the best pitch ever. No, we even get to look at the nice boat lady. Should we wave at her?
Yeah.
She's not playing, is she? Wow, guys, we're at our next pitch.
Our first pitch. Our new motorhome.
Yay! Should we go and say hi then?
Yeah.
Apparently they've got an escape here with bowling and like a ski slope and a cinema and stuff like that. So maybe we can go and watch a movie. I didn't sleep very well. The whole van was like very, very shaky. How did you sleep? How come?
So the mattress hasn't fully softened. It still felt compressed.
Yeah.
And my pillow just stays straight up.
Yeah. So I think we're gonna have some teething problems, aren't we, in the first few days of getting a new van. So we'll figure it out. We'll get you a nice fluffy mattress topper, can't we? Like a nice feathery one. You know, like one fit for a princess. And then hopefully when the legs are on today or tomorrow, that will help with the sort of stability of when everyone's... Oh, I know, yeah. Who's that? You're stomping around, will you stop? And he's not sure where to put the actual remote, so they're just checking it out now. So where I've seen it on other vans, it's been above there. But
If I can get behind the wires, I can put it up there.
oh, okay, yeah,
I'll be underneath most of today anyway.
Yeah.
yeah.
So what I can do, I can try and figure out some areas where I can get some cable into.
Right. Will there be cable into there, will there, or is that?
Yeah, there should be. As long as I can get to it underneath, it should be all right. That'll probably be an all right area.
Oh, these
As long
wires.
as I can get wires to come down.
Right. Are there wires? I think they've got. Are there wires in? Because that lit up last night. I'm sure.
That's, they all have lights in them.
Yeah.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah, so that should we say plan A? Plan A is there.
Yeah, that'll be out. Yeah.
Ooh, what's this? A little waiting room.
Right, plugs.
plug in, charge up.
Oh, this is so cool. Please feel free to come to the office for water and milk. Thank you. Yeah, it's got Wi-Fi, look.
Nice. This is actually quite nice.
Yeah, it is
TV,
nice.
Wi-Fi. Right, back to sleep, everyone.
Secret password in.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh.
Does it?
It'll beep if you.
We will be changing this in case you're looking to steal our van.
And then, if you just, so you've got leveling, retract, manual. So manual, you can operate it individually.
Yep.
And then if you click leveling,
Leveling.
and then OK,
Start.
yeah, and then it'll do it itself.
Oh,
Ooh.
hey, we're posh. We've gone posh. It's not doing anything.
It is.
So the whichever's
Oh, I
yeah,
see.
so it'll lift whichever's highest first.
Wow.
It'll support the back and then lift the front.
Right. Oh, wow. Oh my God, that's so cool.
Lift the front.
How cool is that? We've got an automatic van.
Yeah.
We've got an AI van.
Can you be in the van one?
Can you be in the van while it's... Yeah, you can go in it, Hunter. Look at that. Where's our wooden blocks? Can we get them and then in the river?
Oh, and that.
Oh, look.
And it'll beep on there to tell you when it's
Oh, look, the actual...
Yeah.
It's actually going up.
It is going up.
there you go.
Wow.
No way.
And then
No
okay, then you
way.
can put it back in its charging pad.
And that's it. Exit.
Yeah, you can either press exit or just put it back and it'll time
Right.
it anyway.
Awesome.
What's...
They also say with that is you, as a security device,
Take it
you
with
can
you.
Yeah, definitely we'll do that.
Yeah.
Don't lose it,
That's-
otherwise
nobody
we're
can-
goosed.
No, they can't
We've
steal
blocked
it.
ourselves.
I've got instruction books.
That's-
All right, thank you.
That's brilliant, isn't it, Paul?
That's
Are
amazing.
you pleased with
I'm
it?
so pleased with it. Honestly,
Yeah.
me reversing up those big plastic
Nightmare.
police.
Yeah.
Stop! You've gone too far. Come
No,
back.
we do.
Down a bit, and then I put the handbrake on. It goes
'Cause
down a bit more. She's like, no.
I'll be
no,
honest,
no.
I don't really know what I'm doing. I try.
It's
I try
hard
hard.
work.
It
Everybody
is.
says with those
It is
ramps.
difficult.
So you're with the envy of any site you're on, press the ones you're in 2 minutes.
That's what I want. I want to be the envy. The envy of every site.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's so
Thank you
cool.
much.
Yeah, thank you.
But yeah, so if you need to change the spare wheel or anything, as you were on about before, you just do the manual
Do it manually and just lift.
and lift
Yeah.
the back end up,
Oh.
one side up.
Yeah, yeah.
So like
Wow.
water tank emptying,
Yep.
I don't know which
Front
side.
Yeah,
At
Yeah.
whichever angle it is, you can just lift it, tilt it that side.
yeah.
So what game changer, to be honest. More for me than.
No, I wouldn't say that.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say that it's more for you than me, because I think that
You like a cup of tea not moving across
yeah,
the table.
that's the shit. I get really annoyed when, because we're all just a really heavy-footed family. We're quite fiery, all of us.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
when we're emotional, we all stomp around, don't we?
Yes, you do. Yeah.
I always think you have to do well.
Let's test it out then, Paul.
We're nice and firm now.
Yeah.
Jump up and down. There we go.
Yeah, the move.
It doesn't move. Go on then, get out.
Better.
Can't even move it.
No, you can't move it. He says he can't move it. We absolutely love our new van and we think that we have the perfect setup. If you're interested in following along our journey, don't forget to hit subscribe. I hope we're not overweight.